because I knew you have the capacity to do the job you're doing. Are we there? Okay. So, because you have my goodwill and you have my support, we are working together to make sure that nobody is left behind.
Kenyans in USA through PowerAfricaSolar.com and now get funding for installing solar systems for family in Kenya. Through their funding partner in the USA, PowerAfricaSolar.com is facilitating the installation of solar systems in Kenya with payment plans exclusively for Kenyans in USA.